Damn, driving a Mustang?
My dad's a crowd killer, guys.
Fuck. Damn. I respect you. We're going to be heading to Santa Paula, California to go pick up a hardtop for the Miata. It's already pretty late. It's about like 7 o'clock and we're gonna be picking it up today just so we can install it on Sunday, which is a day from now. And we're just picking up a truck. That's why Stephanie's driving her dad's car, because first, my car, Chachin's car, well, both my cars cannot make it to Santa Paula. The roads are just too fucked up. And Stephanie,
my car's a 2-seater,
so we can't fit. It's a nice paint.
Get the envelope from the...
I'll get the envelope from the get the envelope from the
whatever it's called.
You first? You're sitting in the middle, dog?
Oh, Splendor, dude. See? Fucking Ford.
There it is. So, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. When did you get it?
Like 6 months ago.
6 months ago?
Bone stock. And there you go.
That's so easy.
Is it heavy?
This shit's fucking light, bro.
Yeah?
You can do it one person, but it's not preferred.
Yeah, just to be safe.
All the money.
Just change oil all day. I don't know what to do.
Same here, bro. I'm just a lube tech.
Guys, I got a hardtop.
You're all excited, huh?
Yeah, brother.
Straight to the point, huh?
I know, straight to the point like always. We are going to be taking it to my house right now, just dropping it off because like we said, Sunday we are going to be prepping it and painting it, and hopefully we're painting it. And I guess you can install this hardtop over the soft top, which is really dope, and it comes off really easy, so it's going to be a really easy install. Fast forward to Sunday. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Static Garage. Today is just continuing from 2 days ago when we picked up the hardtop, and right now we're going to be heading to Home Depot to pick up some materials to prep the hardtop because we are going to be painting it at Marin's house. He lives pretty much in the middle of nowhere, so it's going to be good because it's all around trees and stuff. I mean, it won't be good because there might be a lot of stuff falling on it, so we're going to have to check out the area. We're going to try doing it there because here in a residential area, doing it with a gun, because we are going to be spraying it with an actual gun, it gets a little messy and the smell goes everywhere, and we don't want to get the cops called on us. So we're just going to be getting all the stuff, and then we're going to be heading to Stephanie's house because we're going to be putting the Miata, we're going to be putting the hardtop on the Miata just the way it is so we can drive it over there. And then we're going to be getting a truck to take the compressor to Marin's house because he does live like 20 to 30 minutes away, which is pretty far. But I'm excited to see the hardtop on just black because like that's going to be a huge change already. You're so tired, bro.
Yeah, it's 2
Wake
in the
up.
morning.
I know, we stayed up till 2 in the morning looking at 100,000 lumen flashlights. Baby girl looks so good. My dad's actually been driving it for a while just because we haven't actually talked about it, huh?
No,
we're gonna have to mention it in another video, but the E46 is currently down again. And that's because he actually got in a little fender bender pretty much, got in a little accident. So we're gonna be showing you guys, you know, what happened to the car and what we're doing. We're doing a lot of it behind the scenes because we need to get the car running. We don't have time to do videos. So that's pretty much the only reason why we haven't been filming the whole process. But we just have to knock that thing out, and a lot of stuff that we're gonna be doing to it is all aftermarket stuff, so it's gonna be really fucking sick. So I'll make sure to show you guys once we get back to the house, probably in another video, because we're probably not gonna be home at all today. 3M's good too. So 320, 600, no?
No, I don't think
or just 600.
Yeah, I think we're just gonna use 600.
We probably just need 2, huh?
Yeah, just 2 of them.
We have everything we need?
Yeah.
One thing that's always awkward about being in public is some people do stare at you, and right when we walked in, I was already talking to you guys. So there was a lady at the checkout desk that was just like smiling at me the whole time. Sick ass full. What's up, Stephanie?
What's up, guys?
Are you ready to install the hardtop right now? It's like a temporary.
Yeah, and check out the gun we got from Harbor Freight.
How much you spent on that?
79 bucks.
Respect.
We just need a painter.
Who's gonna do that? Chachin, this is your first time spraying clear, right?
Yeah.
Are you scared?
Just a little bit.
You should run it, bro.
Is it harder than?
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
base, yeah.
Stephanie did get a Broadway mirror and a likewise extension with the new shift boost, so her interior is coming out really clean. We do have, like I said, all the stuff from the previous E30 paint and the Miata paint. So we have the House of Color Sparkle.
That
You
we
see
use
right there.
for the car.
That thing is nuts. I mean, we're gonna add so much of it
Yeah, so it's gonna be more flaky than the rest of the car.
because the flake right here is already really sparkly. You're gonna see it more with the sun, but we're trying to make the hardtop really special because it's $1,000.
That's bueno. It's worth more than your E30.
Ooh. At least my E30 runs good. Ooh.
Dude, what?
kind of dig it with the black top.
That's what I told her, dude.
So basically right now we're stuck in traffic. It's supposed to be a 20-minute drive, but it's gonna be a 45-minute drive.
Yeah, and that's just in Lauren's house. Like the way back to my house isn't bad,
Yeah.
but it just, oh my god.
Let me
it's
show you
nonstop.
guys.
I haven't been in traffic in so long because I never drive anywhere. And it is Labor Day weekend, so we're almost there. I can say we're halfway there.
And then we don't have AC and it's probably about like 80.
Yeah, and we don't have a soft top to put the top down. What's up, bro?
Hey, what's up?
So I think it's probably gonna be the most ghettoest thing we've ever done. So we're gonna be doing it right here, which is literally in the back of his house. Luckily, there's not a lot of wind, so we can still talk.
It is
But-
a little loud because there's a freeway right here.
The way I see it is, if there's anything that falls on it, we're just gonna buff it out, like
Yeah.
Chachin has said. So we're just gonna set everything up, get the compressor, get the extension cord, and spray it really quick. And then once we have it on, we can just take it back to my house and make sure everything's good. What's
go.
up, Martin? I fucking miss you, bro.
Carry me, dog.
Come here.
I'll do myself.
Spray gun, ready to go. We're like in some forest right now. Gonna paint the hardtop here.
We have all of this stuff all ready to paint with spiders everywhere, dust everywhere, wind everywhere. You ready to do this? Like the most cheapest, easiest way?
Cheapest paint job.
If you guys are new and watching this video, we have done it the right way, trust me. This is just gonna be a really cheap way to get it out of the way, get the Miata painted, and I guess do it in a spot where we won't get in trouble.
Oh, this shit's gonna be badass, guys. This is fucking top quality paint right here.
Top quality space, bro. The good air and the wind is just gonna help it, bro.
It's gonna filter all the paint, so no overspray. And we got the sun, it's gonna bake it. Perfect.
Making sure everything's as clean as possible because we just did a quick wet sand. But Cha-Cha wiped it down with acetone just around the edges and the window. Now he's gonna be taping it all up, and then we're gonna be cleaning it again. As you can see, there's already dirt coming on here. Test the air.
It's going that way.
You're getting any liquid that's on here, right? From water, whether it's acetone, any of that.
Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna primer it with the color primer.
So
And we're gonna
two
let
layers.
it- Yeah, we're gonna use the 2 cans.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna let it sit, and then we're gonna scuff it down with the 800 and then shoot the base over it.
Okay, perfect. So it sticks even better.
Yeah.
I feel like a lot of it's just being lost, huh? Yeah. Just getting wasted. Not covering as much. Also, the wind is just taking up everything. We've actually had some leftover sparkle that we added, and it's House of Color sparkle, so it's pretty much the top of the line things.
Yeah, it's Tulsa Color and Transtar
So
Sparkle.
we're gonna be pouring even more flake. Let's see that sparkle. That's a lot of flake. You sure we want to put everything in there?
Like half. So you guys ready for this?
Sparkles are going everywhere.
Okay guys, we're on the 3rd can out of 4. So Daniel Mara went to go get like 2 more cans from AutoZone or O'Reilly's.
Try to put a little bit just to see what happens.
Yeah. Look at that. That's insane. That's so much sparkle. I can't wait till he adds the clear. That's the scariest part. This is the hardest to paint. For us doing it outside, this thing is cherry. I mean, absolutely cherry. Look at the reflection on that. What do you think?
Nice.
The next time you guys are gonna see this is going to be in 3, 2.
Alright, it's time to show you guys what the Miata looks like with the top on. Ta-da! Looks like a little spaceship now. So yeah, this is what the Miata looks like with the hardtop painted. I think it looks badass. It does kind of look a little bit lighter than the rest of the paint, but that's because we put a white primer underneath. But you can't really tell that much. And it does have a way more bigger flake than everything else, but it still looks really good. But yeah guys, so this is the finished results. You have anything to add?
I'm missing my hat.
What do you mean?
Where did I leave it at? That's why I love eating, dude. Shout out to Static Cha-Cha for clearing the first part on a car. And I know you wanted to talk a little bit about, you know, your experience with paint and all that stuff.
Alright, so basically this was my first time laying out clear. I laid out base before primer, and it didn't come out that bad for not doing it in the shop, not having the right gun, and basically not having the right air compressor because we didn't have enough PSI.
Or even paint, like we spray canned it.
Spray can paint. So don't criticize. You might see a little bit of trash, but we shot it outside, so
that's literally the only place right now.
Yeah, if we were inside a shop, it would have came out way better. But once we get a warehouse, you guys will see.
And that's the goal, guys. We're trying to get a warehouse relatively soon, just because we have so many projects. If we had just like one or two, if it was just me and Stephanie, then obviously it wouldn't be too crazy. But any of this paint stuff or any engine pulling, it's kind of hard to do it in my driveway, especially since we have cars that we're working on or cars that my dad drives in the garage and just a bunch of stuff, and we want to keep this house clean. So we've just been looking at different places that we can at least, I would say, it doesn't even matter if it's just like a 3-car garage, just a place where we can just start going full send. And that's why we really need you guys to support. Press the bell button, subscribe, share these videos, because we want to make awesome content for you guys.
Hey,
and
cop the merch as soon as that shit drops.
Yeah, and cop the merch as soon as that shit drops. With the door jambs, it just looks so complete. We are missing a trim right here that's supposed to cover everything. It's like a rubber piece. That's gonna come later. There is overspray on some of the rubber pieces inside, so you already know that this red paint was resprayed. It wasn't the original. It wasn't the original OEM paint. I just can't wait till we pull the motor, paint the engine bay the same color, and just go full send on what motor? LS,
No.
SR.
For all-wheel drive WRX swap.
We are going to be dropping merch very soon. Stephanie, if you guys don't know, she's actually a graphic designer. That's her career. So she gets really down on designing some awesome shit. So we definitely have some important roles in Static. Cha-Cha knows how to spray. Eden just looks cute. I'm the stretchy tire boy. You're the broken
axles. Boy.
You're the broken axles.
Martin's just like an entertainer, you know, because he's pretty funny.
Is this a new fender?
And then Jeremiah
just that one guy that like.
That one guy just like never comes around, but he's in Static.
Chavez, he's so
Chavez
cute.
Is so cute, and like
you
it's
can't,
like
you
the
can't
weekend, like.
All right, guys, let me know what you guys think about today's video. It was kind of random. We ended up going to Martin's house, spray can, and paint something. Probably shouldn't be doing it there. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys on the next one.